Looking for the best drones on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or just want an affordable drone for aerial photography, today's list covers 5 of the best options available right now. We'll go over their features, performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is worth buying. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. AE20 GPS 8K Drone. Taking the top spot is the AE20 Drone, featuring GPS, acclaimed 8K HD camera, obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and an impressive 5-kilometer transmission range. This drone delivers a premium feature set at a competitive price. The AE20 offers one of the most complete packages in this list. GPS support and optical flow positioning contribute to stable flights, while up to 25 minutes of battery life provides more time in the air. Its folding design makes it convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: GPS positioning system, up to 25 minutes of flight time, long transmission range, obstacle avoidance technology, foldable and easy to transport, excellent feature-to-price ratio. For buyers seeking the most feature-packed drone on AliExpress in 2026, the AE20 drone earns the number 1 spot thanks to its impressive range, GPS capabilities, and overall value. Number 2. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max 8K Drone. The Lenovo Z908 Pro is packed with premium features, including obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, ESC motors, and support for 4K and 8K image capture. It's aimed at users who want more advanced capabilities without spending a fortune. This drone delivers smooth and stable flight performance. Optical flow localization helps maintain position accurately, while obstacle avoidance improves safety during operation. Its foldable design also makes it highly portable. Pros: supports high-resolution image capture, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, ESC brushless motors, optical flow positioning, portable foldable design. The Lenovo Z908 Pro is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want advanced flying features and enhanced safety. Number 3. NBD GPS Drone with 4K camera. The NBD drone stands out thanks to GPS support and smart flight features. Equipped with brushless motors and 5 GHz transmission, it provides better stability and smoother video transmission. GPS functionality greatly improves the flying experience. Features like auto return home add an extra layer of safety, especially for beginners. The 5 GHz transmission helps deliver clearer and more reliable live video. Pros: GPS positioning system, auto return home feature, brushless motors for efficient performance, 5 GHz transmission for stable video, beginner-friendly controls. If reliability and safety are your priorities, the NBD GPS Drone offers excellent value for beginners and intermediate users. Number 4. 2026 New Drone 4K Camera with Screen Live View. This model combines a 4K camera, brushless motors, stabilized flight, and live view functionality. It's designed for outdoor adventures, beach photography, and even creative party surprises thanks to its airdrop feature. The drone offers stable flying performance and easy controls, making it ideal for first-time users. Live view transmission lets you monitor footage in real time, while the foldable design makes transportation easy. Pros: real-time live view screen, stable brushless motor system, foldable and portable, airdrop feature included, user-friendly controls. For recreational flying and family trips, this drone offers impressive features at a reasonable price. Number 5. 2026 New ZH8 Drone 4K Camera with Screen. The ZH8 Drone is a foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and casual users. It features a 4K camera, brushless motors, and an integrated screen on the controller for live viewing. With up to 20 minutes of flight time and an airdrop function, it offers plenty of fun at an affordable price. The ZH8 is lightweight and easy to carry around with. Brushless motors provide smoother and quieter flights compared to traditional brushed motors. The built-in screen eliminates the need to connect your smartphone, making operations simpler for new pilots. Pros: 4K camera for aerial photos and videos, brushless motors for better durability, foldable and travel-friendly design, controller with built-in display, around 20 minutes of flight time, fun airdrop feature. If you're looking for a budget-friendly beginner drone with convenient features, the ZH8 is a solid choice. And that's our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Hopefully this video helped you find the perfect drone for aerial photography, travel, or just having fun in the sky. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 tech reviews, gadget comparisons, and the best products available on AliExpress. Which drone was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, happy flying, and we'll see you in the next video.